Hello, this is RohitVinay here, and in this channel you can see my digital painting videos and the equipment I use to do it with. Today I have decided to paint Baby Groot in a style which I haven't explored so far. It's kind of like a concept art style painting. The concept here is how would Baby Groot react after it sets a building on fire. If you're new to this channel, I post videos on a weekly basis. Subscribe to this channel if you're interested in seeing digital painting videos, or if you'd like to learn how to digital paint and know the right software and tool to use. Now let's watch the speed paint. Meet you towards the end of the video. There we go, my attempt at painting Baby Groot. If you'd like to see more videos like this, follow my Twitter page. I'll post all my updates in my Twitter page, and follow my Instagram profile. All the concept arts, the work I do for my clients, I try to post all of my work over there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.